Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 Ford Explorer Platinum. This one's black. Underneath there's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 365 horsepower and 350 pounds of torque. This one does have front LED daytime running lights, 20-inch wheels. The tires are in good condition. Black leather interior, panorama sunroof, third row seating, platinum badging, power liftgate, fold down third row seats, set of all season floor mats and regular floor mats. Keyless entry, memory seats, power windows, wood trim, illuminated door sill. Popping in, we got our steering wheel controls, paddle shifters, push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, climate controls, heated and cooled seats, automatic transmission. This Ford has 57,000 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Ford Explorer, check out feldmanimports.com.